Hello, and welcome to this lesson on project planning, estimation. Estimating is one of the most challenging tasks in project management. Projects often go over budget or finish late because estimates are done too early, based on weak data, or by people without enough experience. In this lesson, we will look at the main estimating methods, and for each one we will highlight its advantages, disadvantages, and when it is most appropriate to use. Analogy method. The analogy method estimates effort by comparing the new project with a similar past project. Advantages. It is quick, easy, and useful in the early stages. It does not require a lot of detailed information. Disadvantages. It can be inaccurate if the projects are not truly comparable. Small differences may lead to big errors. Best use. Early in the project lifecycle, for feasibility studies or bidding. Analysis effort method. This method starts with estimating the effort for the analysis phase, then uses ratios to estimate design, coding, and testing. Advantages. It is structured, considers complexity, and can be realistic with experienced estimators. Disadvantages. Ratios may not match every project. It relies on the accuracy of the initial analysis estimate. Best use. When analysis work is clearly defined and the project is predictable. Programming method. Here the focus is on classifying programs as small, medium, or large, and estimating based on programming effort. Advantages. Simple once program size is known, and more reliable if some design is already complete. Disadvantages. It overlooks analysis, testing, and non-programming work and can underestimate effort. Best use. Software-intensive projects where program design is already partly defined. 4. Direct estimation using work breakdown. This method estimates each task individually and then adds them up. Advantages. Very detailed and precise. Improves understanding of project scope. Disadvantages. Requires detailed specifications and is time-consuming. Best use. Later in planning, when detailed information is available, or for projects needing high accuracy. A panel of experts provide estimates independently. Results are shared anonymously and refined until consensus is reached. Advantages. Reduces bias from dominant voices, gathers diverse expertise, leads to balanced estimates. Disadvantages. Time-consuming and still subjective. Requires expert availability. Best use. Complex or innovative projects where there is high uncertainty and little historical data. 6. COCOMO, the constructive cost model. This model uses formulas based on system size, often measured in lines of code. Advantages. Systematic, flexible, and widely used for software projects. Different versions allow more detail. Disadvantages. Requires accurate size estimates. Only works well for software projects. Wrong assumptions give misleading results. Best use. Software projects with measurable size, and for cross-checking other estimates. Function point analysis. This method measures functionality from the user's perspective by analyzing inputs, outputs, files, and inquiries. Advantages. Focuses on functionality, not code. Works across different programming languages. Considers system complexity. Disadvantages. Requires skilled analysts. Some judgments are subjective. It takes more time than analogy methods. Best use. When system requirements are clearly documented. Useful for comparing productivity across projects. As we can see, no single estimating method is perfect. Each has strengths and weaknesses. The best project managers often combine several methods, use firm specifications, record their assumptions, and refine estimates as the project progresses. Accurate estimating is not only about numbers, it is about judgment, experience, and the ability to balance optimism with realism. Thank you for joining this lesson on project planning, estimation.